Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve exercise problems, that is exercise 2.2. Prove the following. First question is 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, where x belongs to minus of to plus of. So whenever question is in variable form, you have to consider this variable in terms of trigonometric function. So whenever you put x is equal to sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is a formula of sin 3 theta. So sin inverse sin gets cancelled, 3 theta, 3 into theta means it is sin inverse x. So see here, when you put x is equal to sin theta, theta becomes sin inverse x. Considering RHS, sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is a formula of sin 3 theta. Sin inverse and sin gets cancelled. 3 theta, theta means it is sin inverse x. 3 sin inverse x, which is equal to LHS. RHS is equal to LHS. So similarly, second question is 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to half to 1. So here, instead of considering x is equal to sin theta, we are considering x is equal to cos theta. So theta becomes cos inverse x. Considering RHS, cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which is the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta, 3 theta, 3 into theta means it is cos inverse x. We considered RHS and we got LHS. So RHS is equal to LHS. So third question is very simple. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Here we are applying formula directly. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So here, considering LHS, tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. So then simplification, tan inverse of 264 is the LCM, 48 plus 77 whole divided by 264 minus 14 by 264. 264 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 125 by 250. 1's a 2's a. Tan inverse of 1 by 2, which is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So question number 4, 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. So here you need to apply two formulas, that is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So first you need to apply this formula, that is 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse of 2 into x means 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square, 1 by 2 square, plus as it is tan inverse of 1 by 7. So next, tan inverse of 1 divided by 1 minus 2 square is 4, plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So next, tan inverse of 1 by 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, which is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So here you need to apply this formula. So here you need to apply first formula, here second formula. So tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 21 common, 28 plus 3 divided by 21 minus 4. So tan inverse of 31 by 17. 21 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 31 by 17 means RHS. We consider LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So write the following functions in the simplest form. So fifth question is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 divided by x, where x is not equal to 0. So here, whenever 1 plus x squared comes, then you have to put x is equal to tan theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So just shuffling. X square minus 1 comes, then you have to put x is equal to secant theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So next 1 minus something, 1 minus x square comes, then you have to put x is equal to sin theta or cos theta. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, or else 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So this you have to remember, most of the time it works. Root of 1 minus x square is given. So 1 plus x square. So you put x is equal to tan theta, so that theta becomes tan inverse x. So here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant theta. Root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant theta minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan theta. So write it in simpler form. Means you have to write this secant and tan in terms of sine or cos. So here tan inverse of secant theta means 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So tan inverse of, now cos theta common, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. So sin theta, half angle formula we are writing, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So next 2 gets cancelled, sin gets cancelled, sin by cos is tan inverse of tan theta by 2. So here theta means tan inverse x by 2. Half tan inverse of x is the simplest form of this question. So question number 6, cot inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1 mod x greater than 1. So here whenever x square minus 1 comes, then you have to put x is equal to secant theta. So x is equal to secant theta, so that theta becomes secant inverse x. So cot inverse of 1 by root of secant square theta minus 1. So root of secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So tan square theta means secant square theta minus 1. So tan theta means root of secant square theta minus 1. So tan theta, cot inverse of 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan is always cot theta. Cot inverse cot gets cancelled. Theta means it is secant inverse x. So question number 7, tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So here you need to apply two formulas. 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x means it is 2 cos square x by 2. So tan inverse of root of 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So tan inverse of sin by cos is tan square x by 2. Then root and square gets cancelled. So tan inverse of tan x by 2. Tan inverse tan gets cancelled. X by 2. X by 2 is the final answer. Question number 8. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So here you have to divide it by cos x whole throughout this. So tan inverse of cos x by cos x is 1 minus sin x by cos x is tan x divided by cos x by cos x is 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x. So 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So now write this 1 in terms of tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is anyhow 1. So write this 1 in terms of tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus, here nothing is there. So I will write 1 into tan x. So 1 means it is tan pi by 4 into tan x. So next, this is a formula of tan of pi by 4 minus x, or this is a formula of tan of x minus y. So here it is pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse tan gets cancelled. So pi by 4 minus x is the final answer. Question number 9. Tan inverse of x by root of a square minus x square where mod x less than a. So here this is in 1 minus x square pattern. So put x is equal to sin theta. So since here instead of 1 a is there, therefore just to cancel this you have to multiply it by a to this variable. So a into some variable. X is equal to a into sin theta. Just to cancel this. X is equal to a sin theta. So that x by a is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. So tan inverse of x is equal to a sin theta by root of a square minus a square sin square theta. So just take a square common, a sin theta by root of a square 1 minus sin square theta. So tan inverse of a sin theta by here root and square gets cancelled, a into root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So root of cos square theta, tan inverse of sin by here also root and square gets cancelled, sin by cos is tan. So tan inverse of tan theta, tan inverse tan gets cancelled, theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a.